binomial theorem, mathematics 2A, part 22, 7 marks question. In this binomial theorem having two 7 marks question. One 7 marks question coming first exercise, exercise 6A. Second one coming second exercise, exercise 6B. Exercise 6A having a number of 7 marks questions is there. This is the one type of 7 marks question. This 7 marks question textbook having Roman number 3, question number 7. What is the question? If the coefficients of 4 consecutive terms, what is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive nothing, sequence, continuous terms. 4 consecutive terms in the x function of 1 plus x whole power n is a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively. Then show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 is equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. Here this is you show that this value LHS is equal to RHS, and you show that before goes to that LHS part, x function is what here? 1 plus x whole power n x function. What is the 1 plus x whole power n x function? nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus nc3x cube plus nc4x power 4 and so on, ncn x power n. This is the x function of 1 plus x whole power n. In this x function, 4 consecutive terms coefficients. 4 consecutive terms, nothing but nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3. These 4 are 4 consecutive. Are nc1, nc2, nc3, nc4. That is also be 4 consecutive. nc2, nc3, nc4, nc5. That is also be 4 consecutive. You have to take any 4. I will take first 4. nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3 are first 4 terms, coefficients of first 4 terms. First 4 terms coefficient. That's why you can write nc0 is equal to a1 and nc1 is equal to given a2, nc2 is equal to a3, nc3 is equal to a4. 4 consecutive terms in the x function of 1 plus x whole power n. We have to take any 4 consecutive terms, consecutive coefficients, that values are a1, a2, a3, a4 like this. After that we have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? What is that LHS part? a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4. What is the value of a1? a1 value is nc0 by a1 value is nc0 plus a2 value is nc1. a2 value is nc1 plus a3 value. a3 value is nc2. Here a3 value is nc2. a4 value is nc3. a4 value is nc3. After that here nc0 whole by, in this 2 term you can common nc0. In this 2 term not a nc0 common, but I will common nc0 in this 2 term. After that 1 plus nc1 by nc0. Correct or not? After that nc0 into 1 nc0, nc0 into nc1 by nc0 get cancelled, you get nc1. Similarly, here also with this 2 term, you can common nc2, 1 plus nc3 by nc2, nc3 by nc2. After that nc0 get cancelled, nc2 get cancelled. After that go to 1 by 1 plus nc1 by nc0 plus 1 by 1 plus nc3 by nc2, nc3 by nc2. Already explained last classes. nc0 value equal to 1, nc1 value equal to n, nc2 value equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, nc3 value equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Last classes already explained in these formulas. These formulas are depend on NCR formula. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial formula. In that formula, you can write 1 by 1 plus NC1 value n by NC0 value 1 plus here 1 by 1 plus NC3 value n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6 whole by NC2 value is n into n minus 1 just you can substitute it. You can substitute it in this equation. You can substitute NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 values. Okay. Substituted in this NC1 value n, NC0 value 1, NC2 value n into n minus 1 by 2, NC3 value n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. 1 by 1 plus n by 1 value is n plus 1 by here n get cancelled, n minus 1 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 threes are 1 by 1 plus n minus 2 by 3. After that 1 by 1 plus n nothing but n plus 1 plus 1 by, you have to take LCM 3 plus n minus 2. 3 ones are 3 plus n minus 2. This 3 goes to numerator. 1 by n plus 1 plus 3 by n, 3 minus 2 value plus 1. You have to take n plus 1 is the LCM. Here this 2 term denominator is same. You can add in numerator, that is one way. Second way is take LCM n plus 1, you get 1 plus 3, you get 4 by n plus 1. This is a part of LHS part. Which part? LHS part. After that you goes to RHS part. What is RHS part? 2a2 by a2 plus a3. What is the LHS part here? LHS part is a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4. You can substitute all values, so 4 consecutive values. You get 4 by n plus 1, that is LHS part. RHS 2 into a2. A2 value is what here? NC1 by a2 value NC1, a3 value NC2. After that, in this 2 term, you can common NC1 common 1 plus NC2 by NC1, Here NC1 get cancelled. 2 by 1 plus NC2 by NC1. Already NC2 value is there. 2 by 1 plus NC2 value n into n minus 1 by 2. NC1 value n get cancelled. Remaining 2 by 1 plus n minus 1 by 2. 2 by 1 plus n minus 1 by 2. After that, take LCM. LCM is 2. LCM is what here? LCM is 2. 2 plus n minus 1. Here numerator is 2. Here denominator goes to numerator. 2 2s are 4 by n. 2 minus 1 values plus 1. Here LHS part is what? 4 by n plus 1. RHS part also be 4 by n plus 1. Then LHS is equal to RHS. This is very important repeated problem in IP examination. Very important problem. Okay, do that problem very easy. First, this NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 are 4 consecutive terms you have to take. After that, take LHS part. Do that problem 4 by n plus 1. RHS part, similarly you can do 4 by n plus 1. Then LHS is equal to RHS. Show that the middle term in the expansion 1 plus x whole power 2n. 1 plus x whole power 2n middle term is prove that this is the middle term of the expansion. First of all, write the expansion 1 plus x whole power 2n. In this expansion, comparing with 1 plus x whole power n. Comparing with 1 plus x whole power n. What is the value of n? L by 2n. 2n is which number here? 2n is even number. Middle term concept completed previous classes. In that class, if n is even number, only one middle term is there, that is Tn by 2 plus 1. What is the middle term? Tn by 2 plus 1 in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. In this 1 plus x whole power n, n is even number, only one middle term, that is Tn by 2 plus 1. But here n value is what? Here n value is 2n. 2n by 2 plus 1, 2 get cancelled. Tn plus 1. Tn plus 1 is this is the middle term of given expansion. Middle term of given expansion. After that, general term of the expansion general term of the x function 1 plus x whole power n. What is the general term of tr plus 1? Tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power r. This is the general term. In this general term, first 1 plus x whole power 2n comparing with 1 plus x whole power n, you get n value 2n. 2n is the even number. If n is even, only one middle term, that is tn by 2 plus 1 formula. In this formula, you can write n place of n 2n, 2n by 2, 2 to get cancelled, tn plus 1. After that, in 1 plus x whole power n x function, in this 1 plus x whole power n x function, what is the general term? R plus 1 term, right term. In this r plus 1 term, you can write in place of r, in equation 1, substituted r equal to n is equal to 2n. Substituted, after that you get what? T n plus 1 is equal to 1 implies 2n cn x value. X value is here x power, r value is n, x power n. This is a general term of 1 plus x whole power 2n. 1 plus x whole power 2n general term is 2n cn x power n. So simplify this one. Tn plus 1 equal to, you can use here NCR formula. NCR formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial to r factorial. This is the formula of NCR. NCR formula. In this NCR formula, you can write in place of n 2n factorial by 2n minus, in place of r n factorial into x power n. After that 2n factorial by 2n minus 1 n factorial into x power n. 2n factorial, you can x function 2n factorial. 2n factorial nothing but 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1. This is the x function of 2n factorial. Already explained in fact x function. Here x function, every factorial you can subtract it 1 1 1 subtracted, you get last term. Next all by, here 1 n factorial is always common. Remaining n factorial n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into 3 into 2 into 1 into x power n. After that, here in this total term, even numbers is a odd. Here 2n is a even, 2n minus 2 even, 2n minus 4 even, 2n minus 6 even, these are even. Here odd is what? 2n minus 1 odd, 2n minus 3 odd, and so on, 3 odd, 1 odd. This is the odd terms. Next even terms what? 2n minus 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4 and so on, 4 into 2. This is the even terms. Here in this x function, combination product of the odd terms, even terms is there. Odd terms, these are the odd term product, these are the even terms product, all by n factorial into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into and so on 3 into 2 into 1 into x power n. So middle term is equal to 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 and so on 3 into 1. This is similar. Here in this term 2n common, in this term 2 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 common. Here 2 into n, 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n minus 2 and so on 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. You can write 2n, 2 into n, 2n minus 2, 2 into n minus 1, 2n minus 4, 2 into n minus 2, 4, 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 1. All by n factorial into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 and so on 3 into 2 into 1 into x power n. After that, here 2 is there, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Total how many 2's is there? Here 5 2's, not 5 2's. Here total, here n terms is there, then n 2's is there, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to n terms coming. We can write 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, on so on 3 into 1. Here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into on so on 2 into 1. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into up to how many terms is that? 2 into 2 into 2 up to n times coming to. Here 2 coming how many times? N times by n factorial into n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into on so on 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 on so on 2 into 1. You can write any one that is correct. Here this total value get cancelled. You get 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 on so on 3 into 1. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times coming? N times. You get 2 power n into x power n whole by n factorial. In this case you can write here left to right is there. You can write right to left. Right first term 1 into 3 into 5 into on so last term is 2n minus 1 into 2 power n into x power n. You can write 2x power n whole by n factorial. This is the middle term of 1 plus x whole power 2n. Once again check this is correct or not. 1 into 3 into 5 into on so on 2n minus 1 into 2x whole power n whole by n factorial. This is the middle term. This problem also be unexpected 7 marks question in binomial theorem. Okay.